Kumsakato Mawipizar FM 104.1 The Pumping Bit of Fekasi Evening Classic. Lamil Bitong Prince Vedas ngena kupusha Thursday yade ngijabulisa ngebhizinisi lesitoyibungata ke namuhla. Kuthi yes yaboma ke but ayikavaleli bobabe ngaphandle ngijabulisa ngilo natural solution for all hair. Lokusho ukuthi yangena napho silapha phakathi ke kuya ku extraordinary. Dala nini lami nginaphindile ngikwamukele lamsakatweni kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani futhi ngiyabonga ukungamukela.
Sizokhuluma ngebusiness yakho njengoba sengi-introduceile but before siyokhuluma ngale business kunemuntu lo behind the business ngikhuluma ngaphindile wakabani uhlala ku
Igama lami ngimphindile ngwakamagagula ngihlala eBarberton. I'm not sure ukuthi bantu abaningi bayangadi but I was born and bred here although angisimuntu lo out there at here. WaseBarberton.
No kulungile namhla sebatokwati ngale business le namhla le asicale ngale idea yokuthi uyofuna kunakekela tinwele la uqhamuke nale business le isukapi because inyalo sesitokhulumana ngale business eneligama layo seyibrandiwe la but asicale ngale idea.
So idea mangiqala bengayiqaleli as a business ngayiqala for myself because nganotice like when you on TikTok Strongest ni TikTok we are on the internet so mangisolong research I see bantu bayatendela ma hair oils and stuff so ngathi let me try it for myself yabo so from there ngahlanganisa a small batch ngatendela it was last year I think more September and then bantu bangitshela ukuthi no ufuna uyithengise because labanye abantu bayavila bakutendela and some people abafuni go around collecting lama herbal ingredients and then recently I lost my job unfortunately so kwanginiketa isikhathi lokho ukuthi ngiqale ke sengenda le business as a way to live so it was birthed from a place of unemployment and yeah
netso sukele abanye sibavile lapha na ubonile usobe serious ngokusinyalo la uphelele umsebenzi okay uthe ukhutsatwe bantu bakubona ukuthi okay kufuna uthengise yini bese bakhona lebu banika mhlambe masempulu kumbe bakhona lebe bakubona ukusebenzisa bakuthanza basho sinasi singathanza usithengisele
so qala bengini afro but unfortunately ngasengilexile okay not unfortunate because from 7 sonke siyayati and a lot of people bahlala bangibuza ucobisana ke afro yakho and all so ngibatshela ukuthi I made a blend nan and bantu bathi okay nathi siyayifuna but bengisolo ngingekho nje emdlandleni wokubathengisela labanye bantu until now senginaso isikhathi so when the packaging senginaso isikhathi so outsource some ingredients and stuff but yeah kwasukela lapho ukuthi bengitendela abantu bathanza tinwele tami and then bangicela ukuthi nabo ngibendele
le oil iyendani le ikhulisa tinwele iya Chinese iyendani because ngikhona ngibona khona ukuthi iyakhulisa manje iphinde ireduce ukuthi idinga break yinde kwenda yeah
i-oil yami it nourishes the scalp mostly angithi siyathi ukuthi kuze tinwele takho tibe healthy kufuna kuqale from the roots
yeah
so my ingredients now they nourish the scalp and they increase blood flow to the scalp. Lokwenda ukuthi ma hair follicles akho makakhula akhule as strong which will then reduce breakage and help you retain length because tinwele tethu zonke siyakhula but the problem lesinayo is retaining length most of the time so the oil yami it nourishes it helps you retain moisture and it just helps your hair grow. It helps with dandruff as well because it dandruff yonda scalp sakho kuthi sinwayisi. So when you stretch your scalp, that destroys your hair follicles. It causes inflammation to the scalp and mawuqhubeka unwaya njalo that's when you will start noticing that your hair is going to start thinning, your hair is going to start falling out because you are destroying the follicle from the roots, which is what I looked at and I thought let me just tackle the root issue and not the hair.
Mabo ngoba siqala ngokuthi botendela wena la lengifuna ukuthola lokho focus mhlambe la ku natural products nokuthi mhlambe ingabuka tinwele tenani ngikhona le netwele tokuboleka sengibide njalo ngathi makhama ukuthi njani nakhona nendlela yokuthi maintain but la mina ngibona ngathi product yakho idila ngetwele let natural livela kumnikadi so ukuthi botendele wena ufuna ukuthola ukuthi why focus mhlambe kule twele let natural
it's not for natural hair kuphela.
Okay.
It's for all hair types. Nebantu labarelaxayo njengami nyalo ngirelaxile, but I am still using it and iyangisebenzela. It's to help heal your scalp so that your hair can grow back stronger.
Sibantu sihlukahlukene ama-skins ethu are-sensitive. Khona lo ngibone usicwayisa lapha ukuthi ngathi ngingafuna siyicale ngepatch kuqala siyibone ukuthi iyasebenza mangabe kuthi vele nani le skin sami sensitive ngifuna ngistophe mhlambe lesicwayiso ubosibekele abantu abanjani.
For bantu labane sensitive scalp and bantu mostly if unitilonza enhloko, you have open sores or maune khona abantu labana skin conditions like eczema. I have not tried product yami on anyone like that, so lesicwayiso bengisibekele bantu labanjalo. Mina myself, I have sensitive skin, so ngizengendele product was because of that, because I keep reacting to things. But ngiyalong sebenzise my products that are natural, that are sensitive, that are more suitable for all skin types. Nomuntu lone skin less sensitive angakhona kwasebenzisa.
Now seyinlende ukuthi ubrande le product usala uqhamuka neligama lawo because besisakhulumela ukuthi uqalele wena wabona labanye laba bavila phawo walahlekelwa umsebenzi wabona ukuthi bantu abavilaphi wasale waba serious so yini le ukuthi no nyalo angisale ngiyoyibranda le product yini ngisithi angisale ngiyoyibranda le product
so ngalicabanga last year, but being branding le different when I thought of it. And then this time masengicabanga kuthengisa le product, I already had the name in mind and benginayo ilogo yokuthi ngafuna ukuthi bukeke njani, and my favorite color is pink. So that's why nale most of the product pictures are pink and they have a bit of yellow, and that's how I came up with the brand. The name was already there, but I had to come up with the branding kwamanje, and it was a nice process. And if you have ChatGPT, things are easy.
Yeah. So sabakhuluma ukuthi nale afro lenye lo wayithanza la usewuqale last year, this year na 5 months injani, because okay mhlambe ubonela bomakhelwane bakho nalabangani bakho bakuthengela bosenga ibrand, ngifuna ukubona ukuthi lokho soyibrandile ibe ne change ukuthi uthole more ma customers.
Ngiqale kuyithengisa last month.
Yeah.
Bengisolo ngiyisebenzisa mina, but ngiqale kuyithengisa last month. A lot of people have bought it. I think the first batch bantu bayithenga because they were supporting me. But the second batch, sebayithenga because I am putting it out there. And I feel like if bengithengisa without the branding, I wouldn't have as many customers. So ngicabanga ukuthi i-branding iyasita nayo ukuthi ihehe bantu bafuna ukuthenga the product even though they don't know what it does. And kwamanje ngisengakabi nabantu labatofika ba-testify about the product because everyone has been using it for like maybe a month or less than a month. But I feel like Kuibranda is the one that's making people more comfortable with buying it.
Okay, ngilokusita ngalokuyi-1 nesinabo sesilabaningi la msakatweni nje mawuthole isikhathi buya utobasebenza sitobafaka kule social media la bakhona ubuye utobasebenza sitobafaka kule social media. It's either sitawenda live ubhizi ngabo la inhloko abayibona because anulaleli umlaleli atokhona kuyibona, but lofuna ukukulandzela lo sokuvile lesikhulume ngayo ukulandzela ku
Go Facebook, Barbie Mags. On Instagram, it's also Barbie Mags, and TikTok is at Black Barbie. But if you search extraordinary on any social media platforms, I'm the only one. So yeah, but easy going to.
Kuyasijabulisa ukuthi kunemuntu omusha lo wenda lokho siyakhalalisela sikubona etseni kusasa mawukhula nasi sokuchenya ngaso sithi no waqala la PCR lo waqala ku invite wangithi some interview wala le business libona likhule nje waqala kithi so bese sichenya ngawe namhla siyabonga ukuthi ubuye ukhulume nana silamsakatweni.
Ngangibona ukuthi ngiblasha njani. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ninginikele lithuba lokuthi ngi-advertise i-business yami. It means a lot to me. There's people who believe in me, I can also be great.
Okay, sibongile.
Ngiyabonga futhi.